welcome to a brand new episode of Z Connect Season 6 with me Priya. आज के एपिसोड में हमारे पास है आपके लिए एक बिग न्यूज़ along with meeting some movie stars, giving you some fashion updates as well as some updates about health. तो शुरू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड विद आवर क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे। तो आज आपको मुझे बताना है कि इंडिया में सबसे पहली एफएम रेडियो ब्रॉडकास्टिंग कब और कहाँ शुरू हुई। तो समझ ही गए होंगे आप क्यों मैंने आज रेडियो पर क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पूछा है। वेल यस, आज की हमारी बिग न्यूज़ है अबाउट द लॉन्च ऑफ बिग एफएम इन द यूएई। सो लेट्स गो टू आवर फर्स्ट स्टोरी ऑफ द वीक एंड मेक यू मीट द टीम ऑफ बिग एफएम। Thank you, Harshdeep, for being with us on Z Connect. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Great. So, Harshdeep, you are now on Big FM as one of the celebrity MJs, and you're doing a show called Ruhani with Gagan Mudgal. Tell us a bit about the show.
जैसे कि आप जानते हैं शो का नाम ही रूहानी है. So we try to play a lot of Ruhani music, Sufi music and music that is very soothing to your ears. और बहुत ही अच्छा एक माध्यम है जब मैं अपने फेवरेट गाने अपने लिसनर्स को सुना सकती हूँ।
एंड वैसे भी आपने इतने सारे गाने गाए हैं जो ऑलरेडी इतने बड़े फेवरेट्स बन चुके हैं हम सबके। टेल मी हर्षदीप, हु इज़ लाइक दिस बिगेस्ट इंस्पिरेशन ऑफ योर्स इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ म्यूज़िक?
बहुत सारे म्यूजिशियंस हैं, बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े आर्टिस्ट हैं जिनको सुन कर मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ। तो सिर्फ एक नाम नहीं है, बहुत सारे नाम हैं, जैसे कि जगजीत सिंह जी, रेशमा, मैडम नूरजहाँ, नुसरत फ़तेह अली खान साहब, इन सबको सुन कर मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ।
और अभी जो ये आप शो कर रही हैं बिग एफएम पर, क्या हमेशा से ऐसा कोई ड्रीम था कि कभी मैं आरजे बनूंगी रेडियो पर एंड ऐसा कोई शो करूंगी? वाज देयर एवर समथिंग in the wildest of dreams?
Well, it was always my dream to be a singer and be somehow connected to music always. But yes, being an RJ is something very interesting. तो जब हम कोई भी रेडियो शो सुनते थे या रेडियो इंटरव्यूज़ देने जाते थे तो जो सामने आरजे होती थी वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक और इतनी सारी बातें, तो कभी कभी मन तो करता था कि यार एक होना चाहिए खुद का रेडियो शो जिसमें हम ढेर सारी बातें कर सकें। तो वो एक मैं कहूँगी एक माइलस्टोन एक और कवर हो गया। एंड गगन इज़ अ ग्रेट आरजे एंड वो बहुत अच्छी उनकी आवाज़ है और बोलते बहुत अच्छा है, तो उनसे काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। और बहुत अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है, म्यूज़िक की बातें हो रही हैं, इबादत की बातें होती हैं, सूफी पोइट्स की बातें होती हैं। सो दिस इज़ समथिंग आई रियली एंजॉय डूइंग।
Amazing. So then I'm not going to let you go without singing a few lines, and you have to sing a few lines of my favorite song, and I believe that's also your favorite song, Heer.
Well, this is the most requested song ever.
I know it was played at your wedding as well.
हीर हीर ना खोड़ियो मैं ते साहिबा होई, कोड़ी लेके आवे ले जाए, हाय कोड़ी लेके आवे ले जाए।
Perfect. Thank you so much. That was beautiful. Thank you, Palak, for being with us on Z Connect.
Pleasure.
It's a pleasure to have you on our show.
Pleasure to be here.
Welcome to Dubai, and you're here for the Big FM launch party, and you're now part of Big FM, where you're now an MJ. Yes. Did you ever think that you're going to be on radio doing this radio show on a daily basis?
Never ever, but I was really excited with the job of RJ because you get to play your favorite songs, you get to talk to people, and for me it's a very very special thing because I get to connect to my fans directly. I get to talk to them, I get to interact with them. So for me it's basically giving back the love they've given to me.
Well, like you've been singing from a very early age, and obviously there was a lot of family support for you. But did you ever feel that you faced kind of a lot of challenges before you got your big break in the industry?
I didn't do any struggle. I'm so lucky. Though I belong to a completely non-musical family, I'm a Marwadi. I come from a completely non-filmy background. But I was so lucky to have met Salman Khan sir. So he was the first person I met with after coming to Mumbai. And then my life just got changed. I got my first break. Then he recommended my name to different producers, music directors. So yeah, I didn't do any struggle. So I feel that I'm truly blessed.
Palak, tell me, what inspires you to do a lot of charity work that you do?
I think it's there in the intention of everybody, but you just don't get to imply it to action. And I feel that I'm lucky that I got to know that singing is not only an art, but it can be used as a medium to save lives. And I got this realization at a very early age. So I'm completing 17 years now on 8th March of my mission of saving heart patients. So I think there's so many singers who sing better than me. There's so many people who are working harder than me, but I get to sing so many songs. I get to work with so many amazing people. I got to sing so many songs in such a short span of time because of the blessings of those kids. So yeah, I just want to continue that mission forever.
Great. And on Big FM, the show that you're doing with MJ Arpit, ASAP, tell us a bit about that.
So ASAP is a 4-hour show where I'm talking about my music, my co-singers. Also, I'm giving some trivia about what goes behind the scene. So I'm dedicating each episode to one of my favorite artists. Like I recently dedicated one episode to Arijit Bhaiya, to Rahman ji, to Sunidhi ji, to Shreya ji of course, and Madan Mohan ji, Lata ji. So basically it's about my favorite music which people can connect to and my journey. Also I play a lot of games. So yeah, it's basically a very interactive show.
We're not going to let you go before you sing a few lines of any of your songs for us.
सैया तू कमाल का बातें भी कमाल की लगा रंग जो तेरा हुई मैं कमाल की पायो रे पायो रे पायो रे पायो रे पायो रे प्रेम रतन धन पायो प्रेम रतन धन पायो.
Thank you so much. That was beautiful. Thank you, Benny, for being with us on Z Connect, by the way.
Thank you so much for having me over.
And you are now part of Big FM. You are a celebrity MJ who is doing a show in the mornings with MJ Lavanya. So, and you've done your schooling from Abu Dhabi, so you know the kind of audience that is there in the Middle East. So what is the kind of show that you're giving to people through Big?
Mine is the big morning show. So it's full of life and full of quirks and full of...
Just so you.
Yeah, of course. And, we're discussing and talking about like some really fun stuff. Yeah, it's hilarious. And at the same time, it's musical too because I just keep playing the guitar and singing and stuff like that. There are moments where I just keep singing all the time. And it's really nice, Lavanya and I, we're having a great time doing this show together. Yeah, it's been brilliant. It's really been brilliant.
Benny, you've also started shooting for, I think, the second series of The Voice India now. How is that going? Tell us a bit about
That's going really brilliantly well. We're having a great time doing the show. And, I've never done reality television ever. So it's my first experience and I'm thoroughly enjoying it because the show's format is quite different and, it's a very intriguing and very honest form of music reality because like normally you'd see like you're already seeing the singer who's singing. Over here, like we don't even get to see them initially, you get to hear them first. So that's exactly why it's called The Voice because it starts from the voice and that's what it's all about.
Okay, tell me, Benny, you've sang so many numbers and I'm sure there are many more hit numbers that we'll be hearing from you. Which is that one song that has been most difficult for you to sing? Anywhere you faced any challenges?
Challenges there in every song you sing. Nothing comes easy. So, there is a challenge to everything because everything is a new composition. And if you don't have the challenge, I don't think you're learning anything because every time you sing something, you have to go through a challenge. Otherwise, it's just too easy. I always do face a challenge every time I sing something, so I'm looking forward to the challenge and what comes out of it all the time.
That kind of helps you bring out the best in you.
Yeah, it just helps me unlearn and relearn. So that's very important. We just can't be happy and feel that we know so much already. I think the point is to unlearn yourself all the time.
Would you be able to sing a few lines of any of your songs for us?
I'll sing this new song which I sang. Ude dil befikre, ude dil befikre, angaron mein nikhre, ude dil befikre. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Benny.
Thank you so much.
So these were a couple of people from Big FM, but next week I'm going to make you meet the rest of the team. And I'm also going to show you the highlights of the launch party of Big FM. So don't forget to tune in to next week's episode. फिलहाल के लिए लीजिए एक छोटा सा break and come back for more. Welcome back. So like I said, I'm now going to make you meet some movie stars. And सबसे पहले मैं आपको मिलाने वाली हूँ with the international face of splash fashions, the gorgeous Katrina Kaif, जो recently दुबई आई थी to attend the Splash Fashion Show. So go ahead, check out the highlights of the fashion show and meet the beautiful lady yourselves. So thank you so much, Katrina, for being with us on Z Connect. Here you are in Dubai. You'll be walking the ramp tonight at the Splash Fashion Show, and you're the face of Splash now. So how close do you think is your personal style? How has it started matching with the unique collections that Splash has to offer?
Well, I think Splash is very wearable and it's very easy. It's not trying too hard. It's very feminine and it's very accessible. I think that's probably what I relate to the most about it.
But then what is that one thing that you carry with yourself that defines your style?
I think that what you carry with yourself is who you are, is your personality, and clothes should always complement a woman and enhance her personality rather than shouting over her. And that's what I really like about the Splash collections, and they're not trying too hard. They're very easy. They're very wearable. And in fact, tonight's show is kind of along the lines of my favorite style, which is a little bohemian and very summery.
Coming to your movies now. Of all the movies that you've done so far, which is that one character or that one scene for that matter that is etched in your memory?
I think every movie has its own journey and has its own moment that you take away, which is really special, and it's got its own experience and its own life almost. It's like a little mini lifetime that you spend on working on every film. There's many films for me that have had that. I think every experience has been really special and unique in its own way.
How do you take it? Is it difficult always having that tag of, being called the fittest person in Bollywood, the best dancer in Bollywood?
Well, I think fitness is something which kind of you go up and you go down. Like you have your times where you're, as people do, you're in better shape or in better, in some months and not as good in other months. I think the thing is just not to get too carried away with it, like make sure you have a healthy lifestyle and you maintain a healthy lifestyle, but you don't need to make it an obsession.
Katrina, you've joined social media after a very long time. You're on Facebook finally, and you post these amazing pictures. I love them personally.
Thank you.
And so, whenever you post a picture of yours, you said this, that you manage your Facebook yourself. So whenever you post a picture, do you go back to see how many likes you've got, or you just turn off the notifications and say, I don't want to be bothered?
No, it's not about being bothered. It's just that I don't follow the amounts or anything like that. I just post what I like.
Right. So it's not something like a confidence booster, because I think for most people, when they post something, they want to go back and see what's happening, how much people are appreciating. And you've also said this before, that when you were a child, you were not really popular in school, but that little girl, is she still inside you? Because our memories make us what we become today.
Yeah, I think everyone's childhood and everyone's personality when they're a child, I think that always stays with you somewhere. I think inside everyone is still like that.
Great. Thank you so much, Katrina.
Thank you.
It was lovely talking to you, and we're looking forward to seeing you on the ramp tonight.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. कटरीना कैफ के साथ हाल ही में दुबई में आए द स्टार्स ऑफ द मूवी कमांडो 2, द एक्टर विद्युत जम्वाल, द एक्ट्रेस अदा शर्मा एंड द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द मूवी देवेन भोजानी. So let me quickly take you to meet the cast of Commando 2.
कोर्ट मार्शल हुआ था इसका। रूल्स में बिलीव नहीं करता। Dangerous.
Post Commando 1, there was a lot of responsibility on my shoulders, and people wanted to see the level go higher. So 7 months prior to Commando 2, we were fully into it, and I was training for about 6-7 hours a day. I tried everything that was possible. I tried to get into smaller holes, tried to jump off cars, into cars. It was a great experience, and the results have been very good, satisfactory, because I love the response that we're getting for the trailer of Commando. Every stunt, while I'm doing it, it just looks impossible, because every time, for example, the one where I go underneath the car, it was very, very, very difficult and scary, because every time you're below it, you just see the screws and everything popping out. You just think you'll smash your face on it. Then there's a sequence where I jump off the 8th floor. I have used a harness, but jumping off a 8th floor just using a single cable can be a very, very scary experience. It's like jumping off a bungee. They all are very scary, but once you just surpass it, you just feel very proud of yourself, and you just look back and say, oh my God, I could do it.
पुलिस के कुत्ते और पॉलिटिशियन के लाडले बख्तावर में कुछ ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है।
भावना रेड्डी।
इसने गैंगस्टर लाल सिंह को सिर्फ एक गुची के बैग के लिए मार दिया था।
Action, entertainment, romance, drama, fun. So I play Bhavna Reddy, who's a Telugu girl from Hyderabad, and she's with Vidyut Karan on this mission. But her mission is to woo him, and it's the first time she's going abroad. She's from a very small town, so she's very excited that she's going abroad. So she wants to take pictures with everyone there to prove to people that she's been abroad. She wants to wear nice clothes and go sightseeing and have fun, basically, because she's an encounter specialist. So she feels that she can just go and shoot everybody, put them in the plane and get them back. So she's like, what's the big deal? She's not really interested in the actual mission. मेरा कैरेक्टर ऐसा हिंदी बात करता, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थिंक कि मेरी हिंदी काबिल तारीफ़ है. So we had to ruin my Hindi, we had to ruin my English a lot, and we had to change my Hindi accent to the Hyderabadi accent. And we had to ruin my English completely, because my character doesn't know how to speak English at all, but she still would speak a little bit to sound cool. But Devin sir wanted it subtle, he didn't want it caricaturish, so it should actually sound like she doesn't know how to speak English, but she puts in some English words here and there because she's abroad and she must sound cool with all the cool clothes she's wearing. So yeah, I think I'm a lot different. Also, my character is very, very free. I am free, but I don't think I'm as free as her, because her freedom goes into being a little impolite. I think I'm a very polite person in real life. Like, I'd say, can you please move that? And my character would just say, move. So, very different, I think. गलती करेगा अगर उसकी बात मानेगा.
असली गेम तो अब शुरू होगा.
करण विकी को लेकर भाग गया है.
करण को गोली
मार. सब देखते रह जाएंगे.
Vidyut is out of the world. I mean, he is an international action star, and he can easily challenge any international action star as far as action is concerned. And Ada is very spontaneous, a supreme actress, and plus she has romance also. She has done romance also, and she has provided comic part also, comic relief also in the film with her Hyderabadi accent. So she's very funny, and she also has done a lot of action in the film. Yeah, I do agree that my image is of a comic actor on television, but many few know that in television for last about 15 years, I am also behind the camera. I have directed many television shows with various genres. Action genre was not very new for me, but yes, this leap from television direction to film direction is really a big one, and that was more challenging to me, and I love accepting challenges, and I give my best when I'm not in my comfort zone.
So those were some movie stars for you. Time now for a short break, and I'm gonna see you soon with some more exciting updates. वेलकम बैक। बचपन में अगर आपने सिंड्रेला की स्टोरी सुनी होगी तो यू मस्ट बी बिलीविंग इन द फैक्ट दैट अ न्यू पेयर ऑफ शूज कैन एक्चुअली चेंज योर लाइफ। बस इसीलिए मैं आपको लेकर जा रही हूँ टू चेक आउट द लेटेस्ट स्प्रिंग समर 2017 कलेक्शन ऑफ शूज एंड बैग्स एट ड्यून लंदन। चेक इट आउट।
We're here this evening to preview for our Spring Summer 17 launch. We've invited the press here and we're going to be looking at some of the fantastic product we've got, some of the ranges that we've got over metallics. We've got some fantastic embellished evening wear footwear. We've also got some really great embellished casuals, fantastic trainers, etc. And so this range that we see here is specifically designed for the Middle East market. So we've got an international buying and merchandising team who look at what sells in the Middle East market. And many of these colours are new for this season, but they're repeats of well-known, fantastically good products that we have sold.
Hi, Spring Summer 17. We're launching the new Dune collection. A lot of concentration on the men's range, the new ladies range, very different, customized for the Middle East. We're doing about 70% of our collection, which is going to be a special range, which is going to be completely different to what we've done in the past. There's a lot of product which is specially done in collaboration with our local market, especially for our local customers. There's a lot more embezzlements, there's a lot more comfort, there's a lot more flats with a lot of touch-ups. So you'll see a whole new range that's coming through.
Hi, I'm Layla Brunton. I'm loving current collection. Lots of flowers, lots of nudes, lots of beautiful colors. And particularly I'm obsessed with clutch right now. There's so many little pixies, so many little details. I'm loving it. Here is my favorite piece. I'm definitely buying the flower heels. Look at the beauty. It looks very comfortable as well. So this is my favorite piece from Spring Summer 2017.
I'm sure you guys have planned your next visit to Dune London, but so have I. Time now for our last story of the week, and this is about keeping you guys fit. The No Excuses campaign run by Zuleika Hospital took place recently, and it was a walkathon that drew participation from a lot of people. Well, it was not just about walking, but it had a lot of sports and games as well. Let's go watch a few highlights from the event.
Hi, good morning everyone. Today we're here from Zuleika Hospitals organizing our first sports session for No More Excuses, which is one of our community initiatives. And this initiative particularly is to encourage communities to stay fit and lead a healthy lifestyle. You must be hearing a lot of radio announcements and on TV advertisements, and some of our hoardings also speak about the message. So what it all does is we're offering free checks for people who say they have no time to go and check up on their health. So there's no excuse, you need not give any excuse. So that's why the tagline, No More Excuses. So we're here today, we have a couple of matches going on. If you look around, you'll see volleyball, football and basketball happening. We just finished like a walkathon, which was done for the people of the residents of UAE. So you'll hear more from the people out here. Thank you.
Basically, it's about keeping your fitness levels. It's about understanding that you should you should have a well-balanced body, and you should have a fitness level, and it will help you keep it in a good mental composure. Because especially in a country like Dubai, where everything around is fast and you don't have time to take care of your health, that's a pretty bad shape when everybody are in. So to get into a better state and to have a better state of mind, we have decided to participate in this walkathon, which I think will benefit us later also.
It's really a very good initiative which is taken by Zuleika Hospital, No More Excuses. Otherwise, on Friday morning we used to take a nap or just sit at home only. So by joining with such a positive team, even we feel that we also feel very energetic, and we feel like we should follow this routine every Friday rather than sitting and being lazy.
Well, I hope you guys will take inspiration from this and have no more excuses for not keeping fit. और आज के एपिसोड के लिए बस इतना ही, पर जाने से पहले let's answer today's question of the day. So the question was, in India, when and where did the first FM radio broadcasting begin? Well, the answer is 1977 in Chennai. I'm going to be back with much more next week, so stay tuned in for that, and until then, keep writing into us on our Facebook page या हमारे Twitter handle पर. Until then, this is me Priya signing off from Z Connect Season 6.